Like, comment, and subscribe.
In a big corporate office, a young employee named Ali was preparing for his first major presentation. Ali was known in the office for his humor and fun-loving nature, but this time, he was nervous. He wanted to impress his boss, Mr. Kamal, who was notoriously serious and very particular about details. Sarah secretly set up a little surprise. Ali walked into the conference room, where Mr. Kamal and a few other executives were already waiting. The projector was on, ready for. As he connected his laptop, he looked at Sarah, who gave him a thumbs up from the back of the room. But just as he started the presentation, something unexpected happened.
So this is a reminder that confidence is key, even if you're a cat in a business suit.
The room burst into laughter, and Mr. Kamal even cracked a smile. Sarah, hiding in the back of the room, was barely holding in her laughter. Ali realized this was Sarah's work, and he decided to play along.
As you can see, the power of coffee really fuels our productivity, and maybe a bit of bravery too.
Ali continued, with each slide featuring a funny cartoon character along with a business lesson. Surprisingly, the playful slides relaxed everyone in the room, making the presentation memorable and fun. When the slides returned to Ali's actual data, everyone was already engaged and in good spirit.
Ali, that was a unique approach. But it worked. A little humor goes a long way, doesn't it?
Ali laughed, giving credit to Sarah, who is now officially known as the office prank queen.
The story shows that work doesn't always have to be so serious. Sometimes, a little fun can make things better for everyone.